what's going on YouTube? We're gonna go ahead and replace the headlight today because I have new headlights.
Hi, what's up?
What do you want to say?
I got
So we got this Maserati Granturismo Liberty walked.
and a Porsche. Right there.
Yeah, but that's not what needs the light. So we're gonna get a replacement light for this car.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go ahead and walk you how to do that pretty easily. All right, as you can see, I have no headlights right now. Just the daytime driving lights. So it's definitely the ECU. I have to replace that thing. And you gotta, in order to get to it, you basically gotta go through the front. I've already pulled off the plastic stuff, but get access to the lighting, and then there's a little gray box underneath. Silver box right there. I'll have to take it apart. Thought I'd make this video for folks that had a hard time taking off their headlight on a Granturismo. There's 3 bolts along the side, and then this is the ECU that I believe is broken as a result of rain. So I'm gonna take this apart. I'll send you some links as well as the tools you'll need. Alright guys, to take off the lights, I'm going to show you on this side. Basically what you're going to have to do is, let me get this positioned a little bit. You're going to have to take apart this screw up here. Right here. I'm going to take one down here. And then there's a blind one on the back side here, which I'll take a picture of so you can see. But that's what you're going to remove. You pry this back, like I mentioned earlier, pull that off, and then that should hopefully allow you access to this thing, which is where the ECU collects water, unfortunately. So that's how we'll figure it out and see if it's a problem there.
Make sure I get backside. This is the original part.
I don't know if you can see it, but it looks a little wet from the rain. I'm gonna try to clean this up first before I see it. Buy another one, and then we'll go from there. It's a part number. I can see there's water in this thing. So after the heavy rainstorm, it must have gotten in there somehow. So it's really wet. You can hear it.
Now look at this. All water. So this shorts out your ECU. You'll probably have to get a new one. But for now, I'm going to try to just clean it really well. And then basically air blow it out.
Water is in there, the way it's facing up on the... As you can tell, this is all water. Yikes. So now that's got it all cleaned up, I'm gonna plug it back in. I'm gonna pray it works, and if not, But like I said, I'm just got to buy a new one of these, which is, here's the part number, in case you need it. And then we just reverse the steps, right? So we put these back on, we'll slide it back in, hook it up, and we should be all set. This is a slightly different part number. But I'm hoping this will work, so we'll see.
And just like that, we have a new light. So that one's gonna still be burned out. We have to replace this side too. Pretty easy job, actually. This light wasn't broken. This light was broken.
If you enjoyed our video and find out what you useful, we'll be back for some more content. See you next time. Humongous.
Go back. Say bye.
Bye.